Hi, my name is Alvin and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to install CentOS 8 on inside the VMWARE VSphere 6.7 web client. First, log into your VSphere and choose which cluster you want to install your virtual machine. Right now, I have two clusters. One is for admin network and one is for lab network. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to install the new virtual machine under the lab network. So just right click and add new virtual machine. So click next and then key in the name of your virtual machine. So let's just name it as testlab 5. Your domain, and then choose the folder where you want to install it on the lab, and then choose the cluster, and then choose the storage where you want to store the data for your new VM, and then 6.7, and then choose the OS type that you want to install. So let's choose CentOS 8, 64-bit, then hit next, then key in the CPU core number that you want to use, and let's just use 8 GB, and then 150, and then choose the network for your VM. So for us, we have different types of network on base depending on our setup. So just choose the network applicable for you. So for me, I'll just use this one, and then select the data store, the installer where you want to uh, your installer is. So I'll select CentOS 8 and then hit OK and then click connect. So yeah, and then hit next and then finish. So once you see it's completed from here, you can run the test lab number 5 and then play button to power on, and then click this summary screen and then launch the web console. Then from here, just press install CentOS 8. So let's wait for a while. Sometimes boot process may take some time depending on your server. So the first screen that we're going to show up is selecting the language that you want to install. Okay, there you go. So we'll select English and then hit continue. And then select the installation destination. So right now you can see the hard disk size that I specified a while ago, which is 150 GB. So if you're not yet familiar with the Linux partitioning, you can select automatic and it will automatically do it for you. But for my case, usually I choose custom and then click done. Then from here under LVM, you can select first /boot and then 1 GB. And then for /BIOS boot, boot EFI is the same, 1 GB. And then select slash for 50 GB. And then the swap partition for 8 GB. And then the last one is the root. And you don't need to specify anything here, and it will automatically capture the remaining available disk space for you. So add mount and then click done and then accept changes. And then for the software selection group, you can select a workstation or server with GUI or just plain server. So for this tutorial, I will just show you, uh, I will just select server to make it more faster. Then usually I select at least minimum for system tools, legacy, and development tools. Usually I select these three. Anything I choose here, either server with GUI or workstation, and then click done. And then click next and begin installation. Then key in your root password. Make sure it's strong and then done. Click your normal user and let's say we click demo. Okay, and then click done. Okay, so while waiting for this, you can think of your host name and IP address. You can prepare for that. So this installation may take some time depending on how many package you selected to install. So for this one, total of 836. So after a few minutes of waiting time in installing the packages, finally you will see this reboot button. Just click reboot and there you have it. You will see your Linux is now on boot menu. By the way, CentOS 8 is on kernel is on 4 point something. So kernel 4.8. So hit enter and it's now booting. So the total installation time is roughly estimated around 15 minutes. So yeah, there you have it. CentOS 8 Linux under VMWARE VSphere. Oh, so I'll be seeing you again on the next video. So if you have any requests, just please comment on the comment section so I can create a video for you. If you want any topic, just let me know. So thank you guys for watching and have a good day.